Hello and welcome to Timegram's tutorial video series. Today we'll look at Timegram's onboarding process. Let's get started. Creating an account on Timegram is a breeze. This is the sign up screen. Here you will have to enter your personal details like your name, work email, and password. Once you're done with that, check the terms and policy conditions and hit the sign up button. Now open your inbox and look for the activation email. Make sure you check your spam folder in case it slips in there. Once you click the activate account button within your email, you'll be taken to the login page. Enter your email and password here and hit the sign in button. As soon as you log in, you'll start the onboarding process. Select the logo first, add your company's name and the industry you're working in. Then select your preferred billing currency in which you will be charging your clients. Finally, select your team size, the create button. Once you do this, you'll be taken to a sample organization within a few seconds, where you can experiment for a little while if you like. You could also move directly to your actual organization by clicking Remove Sample Data in the top right corner of the page. That is all for the Timegram sign up and onboarding process. Feel free to drop us a message on our chat or create a ticket, and our support team will respond to your queries as soon as possible. See you in the next one.